Okay, so I want to take you through a quick walk around to show you the condition of this 17 plate Mercedes A Class. So as you can see, the panels are all in this panel, top panel, all in good condition. The grille, fantastic condition, no issues. You can see here, lights fine. You've got a Michelin tyre here with plenty of good tread. In fact, there's 4 Michelin tyres, all with good tread. There is some scuffing on here. It's 3 years old, you would expect some. We do offer a service where the alloys can be refurbished. We've got some slight scuff there and here, but these will be painted. This will be included, and this will be painted and done in our workshop, so they'll be removed. This panel is good. There's a 1 chip there. I'll show you, I'll go in close and it shows. But this panel generally, that is very good. I'll show you the leather interior. Leather is immaculate condition. Front seats and back. The dashboard is in working order. Reverse park camera, sensors and sat nav. Displays all lovely. I'll show you the back seats. Again, immaculate leather condition. This panel is fine, really good condition as you can see. This wheel, there's no scuffs, it's in really good condition. And again, like as mentioned, all got Michelin tyres with good tread. The back panels are fine, as you can see, all very good. No scuffing, no chips. This wheel is in great condition, no marks or scuffs. There's a very slight scratch here that's so faint you're going to struggle to pick it up, and a very slight one there, a very minor one there, again hardly even being picked up by the camera, and again a very minor one. But these may be getting done, and these ones may be getting done like the other corner. This panel is really good. Again, another Michelin tyre with good tread, and this diamond cut alloy wheel is generally in good condition, but there is a slight scuff here, as you can see. But we want to be completely transparent with the vehicle. 17 plate, looks beautiful. Most of the panels are in great condition, and it is at a great price. A beautiful car.